No, just plea.
I need to send me an interpreter.
What's your name?
Benaki.
Benaki? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm, is it American Sign?
Sign language.
You swear or affirm that you will accurately translate between English and ASL and English so we can all discuss this matter today? Let him know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
All right, counsel, tell me about the deal.
The felony is going to be dismissed, MBOP, 1002. 10. And in exchange, like, pleading guilty to misdemeanor, MBOP is 200 to 1,000. I don't know if there's any restitution, Jeff, but there is that.
Yeah, there's a claim for restitution for damage, but I don't know what it is. Okay. Burger King is wafting across the park. Am I the only one that can smell it?
Oh, yes. Oh, my God. Yes. I'm getting hungry.
That almost never happens.
No, not in here.
Just a little bit distracting. Did you discuss your rights with your attorney?
Yes,
Do you understand those rights?
yes,
Do you understand the options those rights give you?
yes,
Do you understand the possible penalty for this added charge?
yes,
Understanding all of these things, are you pleading guilty today?
yes,
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
no enforced state.
Thank you. On April 11, 2025, did you come in contact with Romulus Police?
Yes,
Is that after you had damaged a vehicle belonging to Miss Howard?
yes,
Satisfied, counsel?
Yeah.
I'll accept the plea. I'd like to sentence now. Did you deal with Mr. Mohammed as the prosecutor?
I talked to Kaplan, and I did let Mr. Muhammad know what the deal was too.
Okay.
I think the remaining issue judges maybe restitution.
It's, yeah. Let me do this. Hey, Joe, see if Brian Perkins is still out there from Romulus PD. He's the OIC on this.
Yeah.
Love that suit, counsel.
I love the beautiful courthouse. You're the best one, best courthouse that's been built in years.
Yeah, I think so too. And from what I've heard about some of the new ones, the best designed.
Yes, sure.
So let's talk about your client before I get the restitution thing. Is he working?
He was working at Amazon, which is where the incident took place. Keep going, Your Honor. Judge, he got frustrated because he can't talk.
Yeah.
Parked in his parking space and just reacted. He's not very good control, like, it's one of the nicest guys that really ever met, and his friend over there. And, you know, he's very sorry for what he did. He lost his job.
oh, Jenny,
How long was he there?
4 years, almost this September would have been 5.
He is doing some Ubering, but it's not his.
Hey, you left too soon. I've got, no, I'm not busting your chops. I've got a file. I'm just taking a plea on, Abu Anwar, malicious destruction at Amazon. Sounds like he damaged somebody's car. Can you get me restitution on that one or find out that the victim doesn't want it?
Actually, get the hold of DPW, right?
Okay, the other one? Yeah, Yeah, this one, he's taking the plea to the misdemeanor, but restitution's part of the deal. All right. Thank you. Thank you. All right, so counsel, why don't we do it this way? Let me sentence him. I'll just leave the restitution open. If we get a claim back through the PD, we'll reach out to you. And then if it's, a couple $100 and he's like, it's not worth coming to court to talk about it, then we'll just take care of it. If you want to have a hearing, we'll have a hearing.
We're not, but he understands that too, Judge.
Okay.
Understands he has to do what he needs to do.
Okay, all right.
Speak English is, who's also sign language interpreter, understand.
Okay, okay. So what else should I consider before I sentence today?
This is not ordinary for him and worked for, like I said, Amazon for a long time. I'm just trying to get back into the work field. I told him because I really think so. I'm gonna do a lot of digging research. I think he's not that. I'm gonna try.
Okay, good luck. Good luck. Anything you want me to know before I sentence you?
Good. He said, next time I get frustrated, I know I'm not gonna do anything like that. I'm just really hoping I can get my job back. And I just know I've gotta have some patience now.
Me too. I hope you get your job back. No criminal history?
No, I'm sorry, Judge, I did not. No criminal history, that's right. And he is a citizen too, so we're not worried about anything else.
Mhm. I'm going to be very nice to you today. Next time you get frustrated, I want you to remember how nice I was today. I'm not going to charge you any money. I'm going to put you on a non-reporting probation for 12 months. That means you stay out of trouble for 12 months. If you do something this stupid again, I'll find out. It violates your probation. Then I'm not nice. Deal?
Understood.
Have a nice day. I'll let you know about the restitution.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.
You're welcome.
This is Mr. McLaurin.
All right, your appearance for Mr. McLaurin.
And Emily Eliza, PA 5039.
And I've got a plea agreement. All right, Mr. McLaurin? Mr. McLaurin, you've discussed your rights with counsel, yes? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Understanding all of that, are you entering a guilty plea to that added charge today freely and voluntarily? Counsel, would you voir dire? I've got an August 16/25 incident date.
August 16th, a couple months ago. Were you at the Wayne County Airport in Wayne County, Michigan? All right. And that's in the city of Ron, Michigan, right? Okay. And you were moving through the McNamara terminal, right? You work on the other side. And you had a pistol in your backpack that you forgot about?
All right, so am I. I'll dismiss the original charge.
I'd ask the court to sentence Mr. McLaurin to.
I'm inclined to do that. Any CCH, counsel?
Mr. McLaurin is a single father, he's working in the airport, dropped his pistol in his back. Absolutely no ill intent. He has been the victim of a robbery before. He was traveling with his son the day prior, and he thought he was for protection for him and his son. Because he was traveling by bus.
Yeah.
He obviously lost his job in the airport.
Who were you working for? Sorry, counsel. Who were you working for? Okay. How long had you been there? Okay, are you working now? Where at?
That's about.
Okay, go ahead, counsel.
So he since, he lost that employment, but he found employment again. He's a high school graduate. He went to community college as well. So he's doing the best he can. And this is a blip on the radar for him right now. The court suspension for anything, with minimal fine fees, because he did have to bother, has been homeless in the past, but he's not right now.
Okay.
And so he's, trying to build a nest for him and his son.
All right, and you've agreed to forfeit the weapon?
Yeah.
What was it?
No.
Taurus? Anything else you want me to consider? No magic answer. I'm just going to give you a chance to talk if you want to share anything. How old's your son? How old are you? No priors. Fines and costs, $500. I'll apply your buy and close at 5. You all set?
Thank you, Brian.
You're welcome.
What we just watched are two courtroom moments that show something many people misunderstand about the legal system. Not every case that enters a courtroom is about proving guilt. Sometimes the real question is what should happen after someone already admits they made a mistake. Let's start with the first case involving Abu Anwar. From the facts presented, this situation appears to have started as something incredibly common, a dispute in a parking lot. But what makes this case so important is how quickly everyday frustration can escalate into a criminal offense. According to the courtroom discussion, the defendant reacted emotionally and damaged another person's vehicle. That reaction didn't just cause property damage, it had real-life consequences almost immediately. The court learned that the defendant lost his job at Amazon after the incident, a position he had reportedly held for about 4 years. That detail matters because it highlights something courts frequently consider during sentencing: the ripple effect of a single decision. One impulsive moment can impact employment, finances, reputation, and future opportunities. The judge's handling of restitution in this case is also worth noting. Instead of forcing an immediate payment without context, the court left the restitution amount open until the exact damage could be verified. The judge even clarified that the defendant was not writing a blank check, meaning the court would determine a fair amount based on actual loss rather than speculation. This is a small but important part of how courts attempt to balance accountability with fairness. Now let's move to the second case involving Mr. McLaurin. Here, the tone of the courtroom changes completely. Instead of a heated incident, we see a defendant who appears to be trying to rebuild stability in his life. Defense counsel describes him as a single father who previously experienced homelessness and had also been the victim of a robbery. Those details provide context for the court when deciding how harsh a sentence should be. Another key factor here is that the defendant did not have prior criminal history, which often plays a significant role in sentencing decisions. The violation involved a weapon at the airport, and as part of the resolution, the defendant agreed to forfeit the weapon involved in the case. Weapon forfeiture is common in these situations because it removes the immediate risk factor connected to the offense. What stands out about the judge's approach is the tone of practicality. Instead of delivering a dramatic lecture or imposing severe penalties, the judge focused on closing the case in a way that acknowledges the violation while allowing the defendant to move forward. The final sentence, fines and costs totaling $500, applied against the existing bond, effectively ends the matter without extended probation or additional court supervision. For someone trying to maintain employment and support a child, avoiding prolonged court involvement can make a significant difference. And this is where these two cases intersect. Neither situation involved a long trial. Neither involved a jury verdict. Instead, both cases demonstrate a side of the justice system that many people rarely see: resolution and discretion. Judges often must weigh several factors at once: the seriousness of the offense, whether the defendant accepts responsibility, the impact on victims, the defendant's personal circumstances, and whether punishment will actually improve public safety. In the first case, the court emphasized accountability for an impulsive act. In the second case, the court emphasized stability and closure. Two different situations, two different decisions, but both showing how the courtroom tries to balance consequences with practicality. And now we want to hear from you. Do you think the judge handled these cases fairly? Should emotional mistakes like the parking lot incident carry heavier consequences? Or should courts focus more on rehabilitation and moving forward? Let us know what you think in the comments below. And if you find these real courtroom moments as fascinating as we do, make sure to hit that like button, share this video with someone who loves true courtroom stories, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping legal breakdowns. Because the truth is, every courtroom has stories like this, and we're bringing them straight to you.